welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's crochet butterfly together. First, make magic ring. Now just chain 6 times. And a slip stitch in chain 1. Then chain 2. And for double crochet the yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. And now chain 2. Now 2 double crochet and then chain 2. Repeat this pattern 6 more times until you have 8 of them. 2 double crochet and then chain 2. Now just a slip stitch in chain 3. Chain 1. Now for changing the yarn, just tie your yarn. Now insert your hook between the 2 double crochets, grab the yarn, and now chain 1. Now 6 double crochet in chain space. Now slip a stitch between that 2 double crochet. And 6 double crochet in next chain space. Repeat this pattern until the end. Slip a stitch and then chain 8. Slip a stitch, and now tie the yarn and repeat this one more time.